How to translate your phone's UI or apps to another language. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to MPT. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can translate your phone's UI and apps to another language. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So to translate your phone's UI and app, which is called localization, you can change your device's system language. To do that, you can first head over to your settings. So search for your settings app, and after you find it, open it up. After you're there, you will then need to head over to system. So scroll down till you find system option, and after you find it, open that up. After you're there, you'll find languages. So simply head over to languages. And after you do that, you will then need to head over to system language if you want to change your system's language or your app's language. Depending on either one, you can head over there. So let's start with system language. Then here you can add a language by pressing on add a language. Then choose a language that you want. After you select that, you can then see your phone's language get changed. Now let's head back to this languages section first, and then head over to app languages. Tap on app languages, and from here you can see you can set the language for each apps. So if you want to change your language for, let's say, Spotify, open that very app up and change the language from here. And it's basically that simple. Let me just show you an example by changing this to Spanish. And after you've done that, if you head over to the app, you'll notice the app's language has been changed. And there we go. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.